Welcome back to AI Code Crunch. In this video, we will learn the Python environment management. This is an important topic, especially if you are working on multiple Python projects at same time. By the end of this video, you will understand why it's important to manage your environments and how to set up isolated environments using built-in package of Python virtual environment tool. So let's get started. So let me start by discussing why environment management is important when working with Python. So management helps keep your Python project isolated from one another. This means that dependencies or packages installed in one project will not interfere with those in another. It also prevents the dependency conflict where two projects require different versions of same package. For example, you are working on a machine learning project that needs TensorFlow version 2, but you also have an older project that depends on TensorFlow version 1. You would not want these projects to interfere with each other, so you will create separate environment for each project, isolating the dependencies and making sure everything works smoothly. There are two popular methods for managing environments in Python. The first is virtual environment, which is a built-in Python tool, and the second is Anaconda, which is a more feature-rich environment manager, specially designed for data science projects. Now, let's compare these two methods so you can decide which one is better for your project. The first difference is in the package manager. With virtual environment by Python, you will use pip to install packages, which is the standard Python package manager. On the other hand, Anaconda uses Conda as its primary package manager, but you can still use pip within an Anaconda environment if needed. The key advantage of Conda is that it can handle not just Python packages but also dependencies written in other languages like C or R. Next is default packages. If you are using virtual environment, you start with a clean slate, meaning no packages are installed. You will have to install everything manually, which is great for lightweight project. However, Anaconda comes pre-installed with a variety of popular data science and machine learning packages like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn. This makes it a good choice for data-heavy projects where these libraries are essential. So, virtual environment by Python is lightweight in size because it does not has any pre-installed packages. For general Python projects, virtual environment is the best choice, and for data science, machine learning, and large scale projects, Anaconda environment is the best choice. In this video, we are going to focus on virtual environment by Python, and later on, when we start learning data science and advanced Python, we will explore Anaconda. Before setting up the environment, I want to tell you about pip package manager. If you want to check the list of installed packages, so you can just write pip list command in the command prompt and you will see all the installed packages. As I told you before, Python virtual environment does not contain any pre-installed packages, so it only showing pip 24.2, which is the version of pip package. In future, we will use pip package manager for installation of required packages and libraries. Now I will show you how to set up virtual environment. First, I will navigate to the directory where I wanna save it. I'm going to save it on desktop. Then I will write the command python -m venv, which is the package built-in package of Python, and environment name. I will call my environment AI Code Crunch. After writing this command, just press enter and you will see a folder is made on the desktop with the name of environment which I set. If we open the folder, we will see many folders. In script folder, there are two files which are used to activate and deactivate the environment. Now let's activate the environment. Just write the environment name /script/activate and press enter. Oh, we have to use backslash here. If you are able to see the name of your environment before the path on command prompt, it means the environment is activated. For deactivation, we can just write deactivate command and press enter, so we will be out from the environment. So this was the today's tutorial. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments. In the next video, we will see the basics of Python language. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow.